Hello, in front of me I've got Fairphone 3. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. Firstly, enter settings and go to display section. Right here we've got all of our display settings. At the beginning we can change brightness level, turn on or off dark theme, and night light. Then we can turn on or off adaptive brightness, change wallpaper, and screen timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes. Next, we can turn on or off auto rotate screen, change font size, display size, and turn on or off network name. And the last thing, we can set screensaver and manage our lock screen display. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.